Is your IELTS exam 4 weeks away and you're not sure if your preparation is up to the mark? Well, this video will cover the general strategies that you need to follow along with a weekly plan. The first and the foremost strategy that you need to follow is consistency. IELTS is a skill-based test and you can only ace that skill if you are consistent. Read and listen to a lot of content which written and curated by foreign speakers. Also, practice writing an opinion or a certain statement in your own words every single day. Also, learn about different kinds of sentences and also the basics of grammar for you to ace the writing and the speaking sections. But all this should be done consistently, or you should have been doing this consistently until now. The only thing that you can do in the 4 weeks that you have is to focus on your weaker sections and make your strong sections even stronger. Let me tell you how. The first week, you will have to focus on the weakest section. Suppose if your weakest section is writing, make sure you know about each evaluation parameter in writing. Practice writing, giving focus to the demand of that evaluation parameter and evaluate yourself or get it evaluated by your trainer. This way you will know where you stand and where you need to be. The second week, you can probably be giving more to the weaker section again. Suppose, again, if writing is your weaker section and you are still weak in task response, try to focus and target answering each portion of the question and do only that until you perfect it. So by the end of second week, you are already confident in attempting your weakest section. The third week will be, of course, for giving focus on your stronger sections. Also, do not compromise the focus that you need to give to your weakest section and try to divide your time in between your stronger and the weaker sections. Also, by the end of third week, you should have increased your study time from where you were in the first week. Okay, now that you are confident about both your weak sections and your strong sections, you are already at week 3. At the beginning of week 4, you need to evaluate yourself by taking a mock test and understand where you stand. And remember, while you take this mock test, it is important for you to implement all the strategies, all the fundamentals that you've learned so far. And during your week 4, make sure to revise all these concepts, all the fundamentals that you learned and the strategies that you had formed for yourself while you will be sitting in the exam. Try to revise all that and try to imagine yourself sitting in the exam center in front of your question paper. And try to always act that situation and also try to strategize every single minute. Now is the time to act. You cannot prepare, you have no time to add something new to your knowledge. The only thing that you can do is practice and what you have learned so far and implement it with ease. So make sure to give sufficient time to revising instead of learning some concept that you don't know. And by just before 2 days of exam, only focus on how you will be handling and navigating the question paper and how you will be approaching your answer sheet. What will you be doing for the listening and the reading sections? How will you be highlighting your keywords? And for writing, how will you be structuring your essays? And for speaking, how will you be structuring your answer if you don't know the topic? So these are the things that should be on your mind the last 2 days before your exam date. So I hope this short weekly planner helped you, and we will be giving out more such content specific to sections. Good luck with your IELTS exam.